On the previous vlog, it was Butilo's birthday, and on this vlog, it's Gito's birthday. My daughter's birthdays are back to back. It's hectic.
I didn't stop though. Huh?
It's like you're making your own pizza.
Yeah.
Hands up high, hands up high.
I'll send him the quote through for Avocado.
Dumelang guys, let me turn the radio off. I hope you guys are well. It's a Monday today, and I thought we should just spend the day together. Currently in Pretoria. I'm currently in Pretoria. Guys, Pretoria's far, hey? Even me going to work is like 2 hours 30 minutes of me being on the road. But also, I have a family here in Pretoria, and I was thinking about how when we were still young, like whenever we travel to Pretoria, they would buy snacks and it'll be like we're going to the Eastern Cape. It's not that far. It's far, yes, but for to go to snacks and prepare like we're going on a 16-hour journey. I'm just glad we don't have family Lemakai, like a 6-hour drive, because I can just imagine what they would have done for a 6-hour drive. If an hour drive we prepared so much. So yeah, Sikolapo, I was just thinking about it when I was coming here. Wow, my family is quite dramatic, eh? For an hour, so much preparation. Yeah, like we do convoy and everything, like it was dramatic for like an hour trip. It was just dramatic. So yeah, I'll spend the day with me. I didn't want to do, there's not much I'll be doing, but I didn't want to do the things that I want to do alone. So I want you guys to come join me. We're gonna drive all the way back to the east of Johannesburg, and yeah, spend the day with me doing nothing. Okay. I think what maps. I wanna get lost and speak Afrikaans and ask directions in Afrikaans in Pretoria, hey?
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby.
lapho it's like a passage.
Yeah, so you see, you still have space left, yeah? On that side, from there, Oguzala.
Including itulo, ne?
Yeah, including the chairs. No more same passage is here.
Yeah.
See, we've got enough. And then going that side, let's see. So, this is what we've got.
This is gonna be tight, ne?
Yeah, you're not over tight, but you can
It's mhlambe ngizobuya weekend.
Okay.
Yeah. But
Yeah, I got check with the
ngithatha
side
isithombe
and
ngiyenze.
pictures. And then just over.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, quick update. I came in here. What is this do? Furniture liquidation warehouse. Yeah, furniture liquidation warehouse. I usually see it on like Facebook ads. So I wanted to check out their dining tables physically, because the space I will be working with is not that big, and I don't want it to Uti Valley Passage, the walking area. So yeah, if you don't know the dining area that I'm talking about, you must watch my home tour, and then you'll understand what I'm talking about. But for now, I think the search still goes on. Guys, if any manje, it's a bit questionable. You can only get quality if you pay substantial amount of money, and wowzer, yeah, I want my furniture to last, hey. So yeah, I'm in Boxburg, so there's a lot of furniture shops. I want to quickly go to Leroy Merlin, is that how you say it? Just to see what they have. UFO, I don't know, but yeah guys, like I said, we're not doing anything, but I want you to spend the day with me, so we shall proceed with the day as it comes. Guys, Leroy, I actually have work to catch up on. Yeah, I need to prioritize, but I think that table that I saw is good, because the last time yes, Decofan that we saw, but now I have a problem with Decofan, guys. I bought a coffee table from there. Yes, it was cheap, but I don't know, I didn't like the quality. And when I went to go fetch that coffee table, like, I went to go see the dining tables, like for real, and I just did not like. I feel like the furniture is quite flimsy. Yeah guys, we can't be buying dining tables or furniture every 5 to 10 years. Like, let it be a thing, it's preference and not the condition of the table. So yeah, man, yeah, I think I found my table. I think I found the right dining table. It's just a matter of me now going to recheck the space that we're working with for the measurements. God, for the measurements, just to see if this is over right space. Jesus. Okay, so let's go home. Yeah, we'll do shopping another day, because already so good. Oh God. Sorry, so good. 1-1. Kids are coming back from school, so I need to redirect my energy. Projects finding the right dining table will be done some other time. I mustn't miss my exit. wanna go grab some McDonald's. I don't want to, but I have to. I have to. I wanna one thing. I could have a flat stomach. King I am over. So in the I am ne flat tummy. God, how is this an accident? So yeah, let's go to McDonald's. You don't know my name. Do you ever know? Oh, did I tell you guys? For those of you who are new here, my name is Deboho. Yeah, you don't know my name. Now you do.
Hands up high, hands up high, hands up high.
So I got my meal, and I know for a fact that after eating this, I'm gonna regret, guys. Sure. But for now, let me enjoy. When I arrived home, I found this delivery. It's the broken pieces to our TV stand. So yeah, I'm not gonna say where we bought it from because there was a little back and forth with the pieces. So yeah, but yeah, so la shame. Having my name I assembled, but I wanted to be a DIY girly, and I regretted it so much. Honestly, this was just like an unnecessary headache. And yeah, but at the end of the day, it got assembled, things got done, and I'm quite pleased with the purchase. This gave me so much stress, like no labels, Kuti, what must happen, like you just had to figure it out based on the next picture. Ooh, shame. Pindang. I will do a living room transformation in a separate video, but for now I'm just gathering pieces, trying to figure out where things will be going. So yeah, please do stay tuned for that particular video. But for now, enjoy this video of me suffering, regretting this choice of self-assembling. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna ever select self-assembling ever again. It's just an unnecessary headache.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo go macho, yeah. Tobalo.
It's been 2 hours, going on 3 now.
People converging for the downfall. It's one thing to wish the downfall. And if you're not going to change down the line. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, feelings at all. Let them listen to me, brother. That's not how it works. It doesn't go, I love you.
What's happening?
I'm building a TV stand.
Oh, yeah. And you can.
Yeah. How are you feeling today?
Good.
Still sick?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So because I'm going to Davidson right now, my sister said she wanted some avos. So we have an avo tree I'm not sure if you can see. So, Nzomkela, she wanted some birthday cake because it was my daughter's birthday. So, Marafuna ne cake, so.
Make him nigga red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No, go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
There's too many things flying here, so I'm calling it a day. I am not staying here alone in the woods. Okay. I think this one's fine. Maybe this one. God.
Either. Oh, Jesus is Lord. Ngiyabona nasemutimba ukuvlogwa.
Even a guy just didn't say the kitchen is not I can't go the kitchen.
There's a reason why there are people who are paid to do this. It looks straight to my eyes.
The ghost and he was like, oh my god, mine was seeing the ghost. Yeah.